blackberry picking. Look at that. Free food. Woo. And delicious. And it's all here. Look at that. I didn't do anything. I've just come here. I've picked delicious food. I'll stick it some jam, some blackberry crumble. Ooh, where's it gone? There you go. Look at that. It's all punneted as stuff here. And a nice bit of countryside. Bit of sky. Lovely autumn day. Autumnal heaven it is here. And it's fructiferous perfection in front of us. Look at that. Oh, blimey. Oh, deliciousness. I heard from my brother that they don't have blackberries in Japan. I was shocked to hear. That's I think there should be a quest to bring this fine fruit everywhere. It's just the most wonderful thing. Focus camera, there we go. Heaven is blackberries. Marvellous.